Hello everyone, this is Andreas and today I'm bringing you the 900 pounds gaming PC build guide. For this build, we had some goals to achieve. First of all, we went for a black and red theme. We wanted RGB everywhere. And we also wanted it to be as silent as possible. This build will be used for some casual gaming and light work. Before we go any further, keep in mind that we are building this computer in Europe, so some parts are obviously priced higher than other countries such as the USA. Also, this build is using parts from Amazon UK and is based on their prices and availability at the time being. Now, for the first part of this build guide, which is the case, I went with the Cooler Master Masterbox Lite 5 RGB version. The reason I picked this case is that the Cooler Master is a respectable brand. This is also a cheap but quite good case. It features RGB fans and a side window to show off the hardware we will be putting in. It is a black case that comes with custom trim colors, so we can change the looks of it to either full black or black and red theme. The second item in our list is the motherboard. I went with the Gigabyte AB350. It supports the AMD Ryzen CPU we will be using, and it also comes in black and red theme. It is also a full-sized motherboard for some future upgradability and because, bigger is always better. Anyway, that takes me to the third item, which is the CPU. For the CPU, we went with the 2600 Ryzen 5, which offers great performance in this price range. It's a decent CPU for gaming, and you need no more than this. Fourth item into the list, and we have our graphics card. We went for the 1050 Ti Asus Zephyrus, again for the black and red theme. We didn't need anything more for this build, so we chose to save some cash and spend them elsewhere. Now, since the second generation of Ryzen comes with a stock cooler, you could change this into a Sapphire RX 580 Nitro, which is priced approximately £40 more for some extra performance, and ditch the water cooler to save the cash there. Next item, the Master Liquid all-in-one water cooler from Cooler Master. As I mentioned at the start of the video, one of the goals was to build a quiet build, so a water cooler was a great idea to achieve this. This water cooler also comes with an RGB water pump and fan. As for the storage, we chose to go with the M2 slot 970 EVO SSD with a capacity of 500 GB. Again, we chose to ditch the hard drive and go with the new NVMe SSD from Samsung for that silence performance. This also comes with quick loading on games and programs and is quite big to fit our needs. You can always go with a normal SSD such as the 860 EVO, which is priced £40 less, and use that money for an even better graphics card or a bigger capacity SSD. As for the power supply, you got many options, anything higher than 550 watts and from a respectable brand will fit your needs. For this build though, we went with the 650 watts non-modular Corsair power supply that is rated 80+. At the time being, it was the best power supply for the price, and it also featured a low noise fan, which it was great for our build. Next in the list is the RAM. That was a bit tricky since we wanted the RAM to feature RGB lighting, be fast, since Ryzen CPUs tend to like faster RAM speeds as it helps the CPU perform better, and not be super expensive. We went with the Corsair Vengeance DDR4 RGB kit that contains two 8GB RAM sticks for a total of 16GB of memory. This is more than enough for any game or program the average gamer needs. This also gives us the chance to upgrade the RAM in the future if we ever wanted a total of 32GB, since we have 20 slots to fill. To finish up with the build, we got a 22-inch monitor that supports 1080p resolution from BenQ, a gaming mechanical keyboard which is super good for its price and also features RGB lighting from Tobelec, and an RGB mouse from Corsair. Again, you can choose whatever you like, it doesn't really matter as long as you like it and you feel comfortable with it. This build cost around £1,000, including shipping cost, but if you are located in United Kingdom, for example, you could get it with free shipping from Amazon using their Prime feature and only pay the £900 for it. This was Andreas from Quick Reviews. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like the video if you liked it, subscribe and support the channel by becoming a member to it. Let me know in the comments if you want any more videos like this one and what should I change or improve. Have a great day.